Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Buhari. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. I came here yesterday. Alhamdulillah. After prayer, I feel better. Alhamdulillah. And today again, I came back. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I pray that may Almighty Allah reward you and bless you forever. Right now, Alhamdulillah, I'm getting better. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Thank you very much, Dr. Buhari. I've been suffered more than 5 years. Alhamdulillah, Dr. Buhari. Alhamdulillah. I've been suffered in this sickness more than 5 years ago. But since I have come here, Alhamdulillah, your prayer is very good for me. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Thanks again, Dr. Buhari. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much.